This is about building up the next generation of world-class talent. Coming out of school, the trade professions are an option for everyone. College is an option, military is an option, and the trade professions are right up there with them.
How many talented skilled trades workers have we lost because they've been pushed to a 4-year degree track? The people I know in the trades are some of the smartest people I know. This doesn't necessarily mean it's a path for the people who couldn't cut it in college.
What we're seeing is that a lot of kids early on have a ton of interest in these fields. They just don't know that it exists.
It doesn't have to be home ec for the girls and shop class for the boys. I think it's important that we introduce them to everything that's out there.
Project MFG is one of those ways, and the exposure of the program to students that may be sitting on the sidelines saying, you know what, that may be something that I want to do. That looks like fun. I can make stuff with my hands. Promoting the trades as a great career.
As a machinist or a maker or a welder, I can put it in your hands, you can feel it, you can touch it, it's tactical, it's real. And it takes it out of the mind and into the hands. And to me, that's the real thing about making and manufacturing. That's where the passion comes from, is people that want to feel what they do, not just to intellectually conceive of it.
It was actually hands-on. Some of the other trades competitions, you don't necessarily actually machine a part or actually make anything. So being able to hone in my skill set even more, that's one of the opportunities that Project MFG has provided me, having that practice, because competition breeds excellence.
This competition is more like the real world than any competition I've ever been involved with. Everything down to the cost, the material used, the tooling, the strategic thinking, it's real world.
I came in here and learned more than I could have ever thought of. Seeing how much those skills can relate to other skills, it's been very helpful in many aspects.
If we want to change America, we have to change individual lives. And so we got to bring that excitement to it. It is cool. There is a career path that is of value to young people. It's the local moments that are going to create a national movement.